We've been dreaming of Colorado all spring, and after an early flight and a beautiful drive, we are finally here and ready for an epic summer adventure in our favorite state, beginning with an event we started planning for months ago. Come along with us as we battle jet lag, explore the festival, ride a gondola, compete in the events, and celebrate the start of summer.
Alright, what time is it?
Early.
We've been up since like 3 o'clock in the morning. And look who's ready. Where are we going, guys?
Biking!
At 5 o'clock in the morning, Colorado time. Alright, let's go.
Some mornings I would do some coloring in the light of the bathroom, or I would read her some books in the lobby until everyone else woke up. Then we would go biking before breakfast. And other days, one of us would take her for a morning float on our one wheel around the village. These were some special quiet moments that I'm glad we were able to share, even if in the moment I really wish for some more sleep. After going around for a bit, we would make it back to the hotel for our third or fourth coffee and some breakfast.
And sometimes to save money, that's what we do. We bring cooking stoves and we cook our own breakfast. $50 breakfast downstairs or $3 breakfast in here.
That's $50 after the kids eat free.
Yes, it's $25 an adult, each adult.
And we thought we'd save money by going to Avon yesterday and eating breakfast. How much did breakfast cost us in Avon?
Avon cost us, I don't know, $75
For breakfast,
without the donuts.
without the donuts. And no to-go coffee.
And no to-go coffee. So sad. Life's expensive. Traveling is very expensive.
Traveling in Vail.
Yeah.
We really enjoy eating out at restaurants when there's something interesting or rates really well in the area. In Vail, it was very expensive and there wasn't a lot that we really wanted to try, so we went to the grocery store and bought sandwich supplies for lunch and fried chicken and rice for dinner. Our 11th anniversary was a picnic in our hotel room and it was perfect. Throughout the weekend, we would walk through Gear Village and check out the vendors. They often provide samples of their products, free swag, and sometimes fun activities for the kids. This year, a lot handed out coloring books, which was a win for us, and a couple had small towels which we would get wet and use to cool down the girls. The girls' favorite activity booths included the Air Force, which had cornhole and putting, BF Goodrich with the giant Jenga, and the Polaris booth that let them get into the small ATVs. And Lako and I liked the Captain Morgan and Tin Cup booths providing free samples, and the Celsius booths handing out can after can of liquid energy, helping to keep us going. This was the first time trying Celsius, and we've been drinking them ever since. Additional activities included climbing on the rock formations found around Vail, something we used to get the girls' energy out a couple of times a day, and face painting. We found the face painting just as the storm was rolling through and it was the perfect time, as we were trying not to trudge through the rain.
Good job, Rye.
GoPro's event is meant to be immersive. No matter your experience level, it's created to support everyone in trying new disciplines. The girls had a blast at the slackline demo area, as well as the rock climbing wall and the kids kayaking.
I am getting ready to do the 5K Terex Fun Run, which is happening in a couple minutes here. This is on Friday, and honestly, I haven't run in a little bit. Like between all the packing, all the renovations, and everything else, I haven't done as much running as I probably should have, but we're very excited. I'm hoping I just make it through. That's the hope. That's the goal. The girls are going to be here hopefully cheering me on. It is a little bit later already and they did not sleep as well as we had hoped. Waking up at 4 a.m. this morning, so we'll see if they survive. I think we're all trying to survive. This will be fun.
I am a former college athlete and generally enjoy running, but wow was I not prepared for the elevation. With only a day to acclimate and having woken up ridiculously early, thanks Rye, I was super happy to finish. The last half of the race was spent huffing and puffing with the worst side cramps of my life, making me release sounds of physical pain with each step, and made me question as to why I was so determined to finish the race. But I did it, and I was exhausted, yet exhilarated.
We are headed out into the village. It is around 8 o'clock, 8:30. We've been out and about a few times already because the girls woke up early, of course. Rye was up at 4 this morning. Hayden woke up a little bit later, closer to 7, because she was exhausted. But we are going to be heading up to try and get some tickets to the gondola and try and do the gondola today. We aren't competing in anything today, so it's an easy day of spectating and seeing what we can see. Girls are all set.
You want guys? Can we go over to the...
Well, you're still on it. It's unreal.
Thank you.
All right, here, I'll take the...
All right, step in with them, step in.
Bye, guys. We'll see you at the top.
Stay in, stay in.
We made it on the gondola, we're going up. The girls have been asking all morning for us to go on the gondola, and today is the perfect day. So Saturday here we have nothing going on. We're going to be going up and down as much as we want with the ticket price. I think it was like $25 a ticket, $50 a ticket.
$50 a ticket.
$50 a ticket, so it was expensive. But 4 and under are free, and thankfully the girls are 4 and under for a little bit longer. Hayden will be 5 at the end of the month. But we are going to be riding this a bunch just to get our money's worth. And I think the girls are going to have so much fun. Here we go. Wow. Check out the view. Oh, that's cool. You get to see their practice area.
Yeah.
That's the mountain fun run. Look, that's where the
I can see where the bikers
Yeah.
where the bikers bike.
Maybe lunch up at the top.
We get lunch up there?
Huh? Well, no, it's not included. But there's lunch spots. There's all kinds of things to do up here.
Of course, we made it up here, and the first thing we see is snow. There's
Wow,
snow
look
in
at
the mountains. We are up in the top of the mountains, and it is gorgeous. We are going to find some snow that the girls can play in, because all they want to do is throw some snowballs. Right, girls? What do you want to do? Woo!
At the top of the gondola, there's a building with bathrooms, food for purchase, and seating. There wasn't a set path to follow from there other than some carriage and utility roads, so we started down one of them that looked like it had some snow.
Nice job, Hayden. You're leading the way. Good job, big leaders. Let's see what happens if we go down this road a little more, okay? We just hiked down and back. Probably about a mile, right, Dad?
Yeah, it was a mile.
A mile with the girls. And let me tell you, we weren't expecting that it was a downhill on the way down and a complete uphill on the way up.
Right, come here.
No, we are walking. We're walking because you guys did so well. There was a few times where we wanted to quit and we wanted to be held, but we didn't do it. Okay, we almost didn't do it. They did so incredibly good going on this. We're so proud of you for hiking up your trail, honey. So proud. And we have the gondola in sight. We rode up here on the gondola. We're gonna ride right back down. What does the cricket say? Chirp, 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 chirp. What does the elephant say? Show me again, Rye. Elephant. What does a lion say? We were doing all the things to keep us walking up. Lots of games, lots of distraction, and they made it. What's a green dinosaur say?
You're gonna
Alright, we're here and it is Sunday. Time for the kids' race. We're getting excited, getting nervous, and it is about to start. The kids' racing day seems to be one of the bigger events going on. They had 5 waves of kids.
It's not the easiest. Josephine Moore, look at this. Josephine coming for another lap in the green hammer. Come on, Josephine, come on. Let's go, Josephine. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
We're excited.
Not Bernal, not. Come on, let's do it, let's do it. Great job. Great.
On the last day, the event the girls had been waiting for was finally happening. When we told the girls about the games, we showed them videos of the Strider race and they were pumped. They both love to bike and this was their chance to compete.
That's it, sisters. Go, go.
Seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12.
Get ready, Gigi. Here it comes. Here it comes.
9, 8, 7.
You're going on
6,
0.
5, 4, 3,
Here you go, Gigi. Lock it in.
1. Go,
Watch out! Watch it, Rye! Watch it, Rye! Go, 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 go! Okay, girls, you can go around them if you need to. Okay, then keep going, keep going. You got hit right, you got right. Go, 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 enjoy it, enjoy it. That's it, go, go, go. Right, you can go around them if you want to, honey. Go ahead, go ahead. Right, go faster, faster, go, go, go. Right, go faster, faster, go, go, go. There you go. Nice job, Riley! Alright, go after Hayden. Go after Hayden. Go after Hayden, go after. Go get her, you've got her. Go ahead. That's it, right, go, 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 go.
Black helmet, red helmet, purple helmet. Go this way, keep it coming. Come on, this is the finishing line.
Go ahead, up. Go. Finish up.
I gotta win it.
Finish. You gotta go all the way.
This is beautiful. Come on, keep coming. Let's go. As your teacher says, this is the finishing line. Come on, go.
You don't need me. Go.
Look at this. Oh, it is just.
That's it. Finish it up. Go.
So keep going. You get your medal. Great work. Oh my goodness. They are pushing the leg power.
I did not realize how much my competitive nature would show as the girls made their way around the course. They did so amazing, and we were so proud of them. We hyped them up by telling them they beat all the 5 and 6-year-olds who they were competing against, and they spent the rest of the trip telling everyone that they beat the 5 and 6-year-olds in their race. From this point, the games were winding down, and we needed to get packed up to leave the next morning. We walked around the village a little more, climbed the rocks a little more, and ate a little more ice cream. Can you believe this was just the first weekend of our trip? We have so much left to share. Comment, like, and subscribe to follow more of our adventure in Colorado.